Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Today, I'm going to share how to use Google Drive more effectively, especially the difference between My Drive and shared drives. Let's dive in. There are two main parts in Google Drive, My Drive for individuals and shared drives for teams. They may look similar, but they are used in very different ways. My Drive is your personal storage space, a private space for your own files and data. Files you create in My Drive are only visible to you by default. If you want to share them with someone, you have to set the sharing options manually. If you see a lock icon, that means the file is private. Think of it like your own bookshelf or drawer at home. You can show or lend things to others when you want, but normally they are for your eyes only. How to share? Click the Share button. Choose who to share with. Set permissions, view only, or can edit. Shared drives is a place for team collaboration, a shared space where teams can store and work on files together. You can add team members ahead of time. When someone creates or uploads a file, everyone in the team gets access automatically. You don't need to share each file one by one. No more oops, I forgot to share it. Think of it like a shared office or meeting room. Everyone has access to the files and tools inside and can use them freely. And in the shared drive, you can share your items automatically. All members of the shared drive can access everything in it. No need to set sharing for each file. Let's see when to use each drive. Use My Drive for personal files or things that don't need to be shared yet. Use shared drives for files the team will use together or need to access regularly. The benefits of using shared drives are no more forgot to share problems. Everyone in the team can access the files. Smooth collaboration since everyone is working from the same place. Easy file management. All team files are in one place. Remember this simple rule. My Drive is personal. Shared drive is team. If you are working in a team, using shared drives can really improve your workflow and help everyone stay on the same page. Get in the habit of saving attachment directly from your email to Google Drive, especially into your shared drive when it's for team use. This small habit makes a big difference in keeping things organized. Let's start using shared drive more and work smarter as a team. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.